what time it is, kids. I think it's...
Ribbity, you can't say that when it's not true. It's not story time.
It's not? I thought you were getting ready to tell me a story.
He is, but it's not around in front of you saying it's story time. What happens when someone says, what time is it? To all the kids at church.
Well, all the kids get up and come running to the... Oh, now I get it.
We don't want to be ambushed.
No, we don't. Plus, I'm a claustrophobic schizophlitarian.
What in the world is that?
It's a sphere of small kids running at quick speeds towards me.
Oh, okay. I know what. I think I might have that too.
Sure, Ribbity. Anyways, I was going to tell you a story. It's about a jungle.
Oh no, I don't like jungles.
Oh yeah, I remember this story. It's a good one. There isn't anything to be afraid of.
Okay, good. I can't wait to hear it. You know, with all these kids here, it really does seem like it's...
No, don't say it, Dibbity. Just go on with the story.
You know, Gizmo, Sam is really going to think you're not cool enough to hang out with him after you tell him.
I know, but my mom told me I still had to go.
Well, just be prepared for Sam to really make fun of you.
I know. I hope he isn't too hard on me. I really want to be able to go on that trip he keeps talking about. It sounds really cool.
Oh yeah, no doubt it'll be really cool. But you know Sam only likes really cool kids. I really don't think he's going to think you are cool after you tell him what you have to do.
Well, I have to tell him, so maybe he will wait and do the trip after I'm done at church.
Well, if it isn't two of my favorite people. What's going on, boys?
Hey Sam, I think Gizmo has something to...
Whiskers! Shh!
What's going on, you two?
Well, nothing, Sam, really. It's just that, you know how you and some of the kids from the neighborhood are going to that really cool trip to the other side of the jungle to see the South Seashore?
Yeah?
Well, it's just that you're going to do that on Sundays.
Yeah? And?
Well, it's just that you're doing that on Sunday and I normally have plans on Sunday.
What kind of plans?
Well, it's just nothing.
Just out with it already.
Oh, well, on Sundays my family goes to church and I go to Sunday jungle camp, so you guys are leaving when I'm supposed to be at church.
Wait. You go to church?
Yeah.
See, I told you what was going to happen. Wait for it.
Oh, great.
Now that's the funniest thing I have heard all day. Just wait till the others get a load of this.
What did I tell you? You should have just told him and just skipped church and went anyways. You know it's only one time, and when will you ever get to go to the South Seashore anyways?
Well, I can't do that. I told you what my mom said.
What if you told your mom that you were sick and she let you stay home while they went to church? You could sneak out and then probably be back before your parents even got home. No one would ever know.
I don't know. I don't want to get in trouble, but I really want to go to the other side of the jungle.
I would certainly think long and hard about this one. If you don't go on this trip, you will never be part of Sam's crowd again.
Yeah, you're probably right, Whiskers.
Hey, Croc and Sally, you both just wait till you hear what I have to tell you. Oh, it's a doozy.
I wonder what's going on. Oh no! I bet something terrible. I hope Sam's pet Bubbles didn't die. That would be so sad.
Are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you. You're the only one out here, right? Now aren't you? Sometimes, Sally, you're off in another world.
I am not in another world. I'm right here with you. Duh, silly. Wait. Unless we're both in another world. Oh no! Are we lost?
No, Sally. We are not in another world or lost. Duh.
Whew, this felt like it was going to take forever to get back up here to you guys. It was really, really crowded down there and it smelled like feet. Anyways, I just have to tell you guys what Gizmo told me. You're going to laugh and laugh.
Hi, Sam. Do you want to buy a seashell?
No, Sally, I don't want to buy a seashell.
But I can get you a great deal for one. Normally, they are $2 for $1. But for you, my friend, I have 4. 4 for $3. Great deal, isn't it?
Did your pet fish Bubbles die? I knew it was something terrible. I'm so sorry for your loss, Sam. Do you want me to make your funeral arrangements?
What? No, I don't have a pet fish. I thought I told you never to tell anyone about that. And Sally, that's not really... Oh, never mind. Would you both just stop and listen? Wait till you hear what Gizmo told me today. He said that he can't go with us to the South Seashore on Sunday.
Oh no! Is it because his pet worm Wiggles died? Why is every pet dying? I hope my pet mouse Frank didn't die. Maybe so I should go home and check on him.
Croc, would you stop for a minute? No one's pet has died. Well, those who have a silly pet. It's because he has to go to church.
That's a funny one! Who knew Gizmo goes to church? Are you sure you don't want to buy a seashell, Sam? How about you, Croc?
No.
No!
Well, Gizmo, what did you decide? We'll be leaving in a few minutes.
Well, I have decided I don't want to be dishonest with my mom and dad and lie to them.
Okay, but wait till Sam finds out. You will be made fun of for the next century.
Yes, I know. But I just can't risk being in that much trouble with my mom and dad. I know everyone wants me to go, and I really do want to go and be a part of Sam's club. But it's just not worth lying to my parents. Besides, Jesus never would want me to lie about anything.
Okay, well, I guess I'll have to see you later then.
Okay, have a good time.
This is a really good story, but I think I need a break.
Me too. My throat's really dry. But then again, it always feels dry.
I am fine, so you guys can go take a break. I'm going to turn on that radio station that plays funny songs. I always like to be loud.
no short leashes in dog heaven. My water dish is never dry. I can sniff anywhere I want. The whole place is one big lawn. And my master calls me on to that big park in the sky. In dog heaven, that's where I wanna be. In dog heaven, I'll wag my tail eternally. All I'll do is run and play. I can chase the ball all day. When I die, it's dog heaven for me. I can stick my head out the window in dog heaven. I can chew up anything I see. My master's always around. He never tells me to go lay down. And I can roll around on the ground with the one who cares for me. In dog heaven, that's where I wanna be. In dog heaven, I'll wag my tail eternally. All I'll do is run and play. I can chase the ball all day. When I die, it's dog heaven for me. I know I haven't always done everything I should, but I want to hear my master tell me I've been good. Oh, yeah. In dog heaven, that's where I wanna be. In dog heaven, I'll wag my tail eternally. All I'll do is run and play. I can chase the ball all day. When I die, it's dog heaven. When I die, it's dog heaven. When I die, it's dog heaven for me.
Well, now I know where I want to go where I die.
Weren't you supposed to be listening to songs on the station that played funny music? What are you talking about dying?
Well, if you would have just heard what song I did, you would want to go there too.
I can only guess you were talking about heaven.
Nope. Dog heaven.
Dog heaven? What? You're crazy. Don't you have to be a dog to... Oh, never mind.
You are really something, Tibbity. Anyways, let's get back to the story.
Oh yeah. I can't wait to hear what happens next.
So Whiskers, where's Gizmo? Did he chicken out on us?
He decided it was more important to go to church than come with us.
I knew it. I knew he didn't have what it takes. Who wants to go to church anyways? Well, let's get going, guys. We're going to have a blast today.
Can I take my seashells, Sam, to sell?
Oh, Sally. You with those seashells. I don't care what you bring. Just remember, you have to carry it.
Great. Well, how was your guys' adventure? Did Sam make fun of me?
Oh boy, you just wait till you hear about this. We ended up spending most of the trip looking for Sally.
Oh no! no! What happened?
Well, everything was going according to plan, and then...
Sally, would you keep up with this already? You're really lagging behind.
These seashells are really heavy.
I told you that if you wanted to carry them, if you wanted to bring them, you would have to carry them. You're holding everyone up.
I really don't know if I can carry these. How much further do we have to go?
It's right around that big bush up here.
Okay, I will try to hurry up. Maybe I'll be able to sell some of these when we get there, and I won't have to carry them all back with me. Just go on ahead. I'll catch up.
Okay, well, we'll meet you there. Just right around those bushes there and a left at the first rock. After you pass the third bush, another right and through the trees. The beach will be there right in front of you. See you there. Don't make us come look for you.
I sure hope I can remember those directions. Let's see here. He said go right around those bushes. Then did he say take a right at the second rock? Or was it a left at the first rock? Oh, I can't remember. Wait, I think it was a right at the second rock. Man, these seashells are not getting any lighter. Oh, there's the second rock. Okay, turning left. Oh, look at that nice tree limb up there. In that tree. Oh, I could use a really quick nap. I only need like 5 minutes. I'll just lay these seashells down right here.
Sally really thought she could sell seashells by the South Seashore?
Oh yes, you know how much Sally loves her seashells, and especially by the seashore.
So she really took a nap right there in the tree?
Oh yes, she did, and a long one at that.
Sally really should have been here by now. Where do you think she's at? Sally!
Look, there are her seashells. Oh no! She must have been gotten taken by something. Poor Sally. I hope she's okay. This is just terrible. I wonder what had taken her. Do you think,
Croc, would you just stop for a second? I doubt anything took Sally. She has to be here around here somewhere. I knew I shouldn't have left her. She's terrible with directions and naps. We have been looking for her for over an hour now.
Both of you stop for a second. Listen.
what do you hear? Do you hear the wild jungle beast walking away with Sally?
Why are we leaning?
Just listen. Do you hear that? I think Sally took a nap somewhere.
Look up there, in that tree. She is asleep.
I'm so relieved. I really thought something terrible just had happened to her.
Sally! Sally! Wake up!
I don't think she can hear you. You're gonna have to go up there and wake her up.
Yeah, right. I'm not going up in that tree.
Are you scared?
No. I'm not scared of anything. I will just ask Croc to go up in the tree.
What's going on? Where am I? Oh no, I bet I'm in that other world Croc was talking about. That means that I've
down here.
Is that you, God?
Sally, look down here. It is not God, it is Sam. Look down.
Huh? Oh, hi, Sam. Whew. I'm glad I'm not in that other world.
Come down here. We have been looking for you for over an hour.
Coming. Hi, guys. We are ready to go to the seashore now. I want to sell my seashells. No, you can't sell seashells on the seashore, Sally. We have already been there and came back looking for you for over an hour. I'm heading out. I don't want to be in trouble for getting back too late. Oh, man. Now I have to carry these all back with me. I'll never make it.
Well, you're gonna make it. Because it's getting really late and we have to go.
Wow! So it doesn't sound like it was very much fun anyway, huh?
No, it really wasn't.
Well, I'm glad I decided not to lie to my parents and stay here. We actually talked about that in Sunday Jungle Camp today. We learned about how lying and being a part of the crowd really isn't important as pleasing God and to stand up for what you believe in. Even if it means someone may not like you.
Well, I know one thing. It doesn't always turn out to do the things with the cool kids just because you think they are cool. Maybe I will have to come with you to Sunday Jungle Camp sometime, Gizmo.
Oh, that would be great! We're having a puppet show next Sunday.
I will come and check it out then. Sounds like fun. How about we go see how many seashells Sally has sold? Sally sells seashells by the seashore. That could be a rhyming song or something.
Nah, it would never stick.
Power from God never stops. He is tops. Power from God never stops. He is tops. Power from God never stops. In the jungle, the daily jungle, it's cool to follow the crowd. In the jungle, we feel peer pressure to do what's not allowed. Monkey see, monkey do. The lion's devil is after you. Monkey see, monkey do. Dare to be one of God's chosen few. Do not change yourselves to be like the people in this land, but be changed within your mind. For Jesus, take a stand. Monkey see, monkey do. The lion devil is after ourselves to be like the people in this land. But be changed within your mind. For Jesus, take a stand. For Jesus, take a stand. For Jesus, take a stand.
Did they do a good job? I want to thank all of you guys for coming. I hope you guys had a blast. And see you guys tomorrow.